Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the complex function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function is used to convert real and imaginary coefficients into a complex number of the following form. So it's either going to be x plus y I or x plus y j. So for the purpose of this function, we need to have three arguments, which will be the real number, the I number, which will be the imaginary coefficient for the complex number, and the suffix, which will be I or j. What's important is that the real number and the I number has to be numerical, and for our suffix, it has to be either I or j. So let's try it out real quickly and see what it will look like. So let's, for example, select for our real number a certain number. So let's say it's gonna be 6 in this case. For our I number, let's enter, I don't know, for example, 10. Here we go. And then for our suffix, let's enter I. So the way we're gonna enter our I, it has to be between those little elements. And just like that, we have all our arguments right here. Now the next step will be to enter our function. So we'll enter it right here. There we go. Here we go. So here we're gonna have our function. So we want to use the complex function, and then we can select our arguments. So as I said, the first element will be our real number. So in our case, it's gonna be 6. Then the second element will be the I number, which in our case will be 10. And finally, our suffix in this case will be either I, either j. So it tells you to choose one. In our case, we have I, so we can either select it here, either just click on it right here. So we'll select it right there. And we can close our parentheses and run our function. And just like that, we are able to have a function that has this format right here. So x plus y I or x plus y j, just here, with our arguments that are right there. So if, for example, we change 6 for 7, it will automatically change the function. So just like that. So this is how you use the complex function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.